Hi people, good evening guys. Hope you all are doing great. So I and my kids are going to Favour School. They have a show today, or a presentation rather. Yeah, so we are all going there, excluding Hobby. Hobby went for his appointment, and it's just me and the kids. And you guys know Favour School is not far away from our house, so we are trekking down the school, and I want to bring you guys along with us to see what is happening there today. Let's go and see what they have to present, or what they have to offer us. This dog is so huge, like, let me show you guys. Look, it's always there. Very huge, so huge. This thing will not even let you guys see it. See my kids, they are already there. Wait for me there. Of course they know, but I'm just saying it for in case it, before one of them will couple na chain. Where is Blessing? Guys, we are here now and it's not yet time. See what happened. Favour was confused though. She told us 5 o'clock and we were rushing to be here. It's already 5 when we left the house, and here we are now. They said it's 5:30, and I'm like, why didn't you tell me? So I will have to stay here now for like 20 something more minutes. Like, why? And I was even uploading a video at home, and once I leave the house I don't have internet service anymore. I'm so pained, like, and the video is almost done. The video is almost done, and I had to leave it. See the way they are looking at me. And I never see something. I'm a vlogger, so you guys will have to deal with it. They are just standing in front of me looking at me, and I don't even care. Anyways, we'll have to stay here and wait for, this is 5:18, so that is it. So see them, they're already there playing. No, give me that water please. Don't keep it there before we forget it. And over here is our bottle of water. In case if anybody wants to drink water. Guys, you won't believe it, I haven't been vlogging. I've been busy with other stuff, and also we've been going from one appointment to the other. Like, this week has really been a very busy week for me, that I kind of forgot that I'm a vlogger, like, somehow. Oh Diego. So here we are. Sorry guys, I have something on my shoe and I'm trying to clean it up. So today is Thursday.
Look how this time.
Unlike me, but it's okay. It's well. See them already playing football.
One, two, three, go.
Where is Favour? I haven't seen Favour. I have not seen Favor. That's blessing. She has already made a friend, a new friend already. If you see the way she went to hug that girl. Guys, okay, see Favor here. Hi, Fefe. Guys, my baby girl Blessing speaks Italian. Like, she will come back from school and be rapping this thing, and it's so sweet in her mouth. Meanwhile, I've been in this country for is it not 10 years plus now? No, it's almost 10 years. I have a few months to go to complete. Leave her now. I have a few months to complete 10 years here. Favor, arrange your this thing. Dress well. Your gown inside is going up. Draw it down. So, like I was saying, I have a few months to complete 10 years here, and I'm still biting my tongue when I'm speaking. Meanwhile, Blessing can rap Italian. Like, what? Shame on me. Sometimes when I talk, she will even correct me. Hey, it's not yet time. This is 5:21, and you can see a lot of people there. My bobom, this is my first son, in whom I am well pleased. This water bottle was gifted to Caleb in his old school. His friend. I don't know if you guys watched that graduation vlog. They are calling me. Who? Okay. The graduation vlog, I'll tell you guys later. They are calling me. Blessing, come back here. Come back here.
Yes, ma'am.
Come. Alright guys, so like I was saying, the boy that took pictures with Caleb on his graduation day, their parents gifted this to Caleb because they are both friends. What am I saying? And they wrote his name on it. They are both friends. They really love Caleb so much. They even gave him a bracelet and this water bottle and some other stuff as well. So yeah, it's really cool and beautiful, and his favorite color as well.
qui vi presenteremo alcune canzoni cantate e suonate da loro. La prima è Il leone si è addormentato, The Lion Sleeps Tonight.
Guys, we are done. Oh yeah, go down, go down, go down. Piano, please. Be careful. This step, the stairs are confusing. Oh. And we are done, guys. We are going back home. You guys have seen it. We came to do baby shark to. My God, if I talk now, they will say Jessica too. They talk. Me, I will not say anything. It's not even up to 1 hour. Do you know that they started by was it 5:45? I guess, or either 5:45 or 5:40. It's 5:40 something, sha, and then they dismissed by I think 6:13. It's not even up to 1 hour. So, mommy, no, raise that thing up. It's not even up to an hour, and we are going back home. Although it's not that it's a bad gathering, you know, we came to see our children perform, do the little they have learned so far. But if you ask me, oh, this is not what coming to sit and watch, in my opinion. You know, they can learn this thing, come back home and play it for their parents. I don't know what to say, but I don't think it's worth my time, honestly. I was there, I'm like, so why were we here? Why are we here? Anyways, well, it's good that we came out, though. It's good that we came out to witness it. Guys, you can see the quality of the video has drastically reduced because obviously it's night. Don't mind that it's a bit, you know, bright, but it's just the camera that is making it bright. But you can see the grainy stuff on my jacket. So thank you guys for coming along with us to witness this. Although I didn't record everything, you know, I just got a few clips from the ones I feel are more interesting, you know, within their within what they did there. I don't know what I'm saying, guys, but thank you for coming along with us. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys, and good night.